Hey Wanderers, I'm Ron, and Amanda's behind the camera, and we're back for more adventures in baking. Alright, so tomorrow is the 4th of July, Independence Day. Or as my English friends, when we were camping in Switzerland said, Happy Treason Day, ungrateful colonists. So we're gonna make an American flag themed cake today. So we're not going, from scratch or anything. We're gonna use a regular cake mix. Got pre-made, fluffy frosting, strawberries and blueberries. And so this one's all about the presentation, not about how we put it together. So we're gonna have fun with this and make a nice American flag cake to celebrate this weekend. All right, so like I said, we're gonna go kind of low maintenance with this one. We're using a cake mix to do the cake, and then we're gonna decorate it. So not gonna make this super difficult. So now it goes into the oven for 30 minutes. So the three things to make this an American flag cake is, of course, white icing. So we'll put that on later on the cake. For the field of blue, we've got a whole bunch of blueberries, and so we'll fill that up. But then for the stripes, we're gonna go with some strawberries. So I was kind of debating how to cut these. To make the stripes on the flag. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut them just in slices to make the round circles, and then leave probably about 1/4 of an inch sort of tall to then put across the top of those when we're done. So we've got them rinsed, and now we're just going to cut them up. Let's get the cake out. Looks nice. Golden brown, so let's throw it in the fridge for a little while so it can get cool before we frost it. All right, so let's get the cake out. Looks nice. It's nice and cool. So now we can cover it in frosting. All right, so now we've got our white background, and now it's time to build the flag. So we've got our blue field down. So now it's time to put some stripes. So there it is. It's your American flag cake. So it's a interpretation of Old Glory that we'll enjoy tomorrow night. So I hope you guys have a happy and safe 4th of July. Make sure to be safe with your fireworks. Come back home with all your fingers. And be sure to like, comment, subscribe at the bottom. We'll see you later. Bye, Wanderers.